All right, let's say I'm sitting here putting together this fuel pump. And I got to thinking, what if there was a world championships in lockpicking? And there were 4 events. You had pin and tumbler, dimple, disdetainer, and lever locks. And you had to pick 3 other people to be on your team from YouTube lock pickers. And let's make it interesting. Let's not do the lock picking lawyer, McNally. Let's do some of the smaller channels. Who are your 3 picks to go to the championships? And what are you going to compete in, and what are they going to compete in? All right, I'll see you guys later.